Hello, friends. Today we're going to draw something super fun.
Today we're drawing a giraffe.
I'm curious. Since giraffes live up high, do you think they can be good friends with Cloud?
Of course. When I float in the sky, giraffes can reach up and say hello.
Then let's get started. First, let's draw the horns, then a round and cute head. Then let's draw big, bright eyes.
But the eyes should be extra cute. Let's add tiny eyelashes.
Great idea! Here are the cute eyelashes.
Now let's draw the long neck. But how long should it be?
If it's too long, it might look like it's floating in the sky. But if it's too short, it won't look like a giraffe.
Let's make it just right so it can be tall but still play with its friends.
Done! Now we add the body, little legs, and of course, the spots. Wow, it looks awesome, but something's missing.
I know. Let's add the tail.
Great, it looks so much better now.
Our giraffe is looking super cool. What do you think, friends?
That's amazing. Let's move on to coloring. We had so much fun drawing a giraffe. Would you like to try it too?
If you do, don't forget to share it with us. We'd love to see the colors you choose.
Which animal should we draw next? Tell us in the comments.
See you next time.